Hi Capricorns, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your love reading, you versus them. Okay, so we will see what are the universe messages for you and your person, Capricorn. Let us see today what is there for my Capricorns and their person. What is the love connection? What the love is saying. Is the love in the air or where the love is right now? So we will see what is there for my Capricorns. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, and as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Let's see what is there for my Capricorns and their partner, their loved ones. What do we have for Capricorns? For my Capricorns, please, what is happening, please? Last shuffle. So at the back of the deck, it's the Knight of Wands with the 10 of Wands. Sorry, Knight of Pentacles with the 10 of Wands. So this is, this energy is like, okay, so I'm getting it. This is about two people where one person, where the feelings are from both the sides, but it's like that this person is tired now of listening this person's excuses, because Knight of Pentacles, my dear, it's like, he comes every time with lame excuses. Like if you call this person, like, where were you or what were you doing, so they always have some lame excuses to give to you. It's like always the same story, always the bullshit story, that kind of thing over here. So this person is like tired of all these lame excuses which this Knight of Pentacles, because this person, he knows that he or she, whosoever this person knows that my Capricorn will always be there to help me, will always be there whenever I will need my Capricorn. He or she will be there. Okay, so this is like, using the Capricorn, using their love, like whatsoever, using their feelings. So this is that person who is actually doing this. So this might be you as well. So this is, I won't say that this is only one person. Basically, one person is tired of listening somebody else's excuses and all that stuff. Okay, let's see what else do we have. All right, so your feelings for this person, Nine of Swords. So this is like, when you are crying for someone, you are feeling bad, you are like what happened, like did I actually did I said no to a wrong person? Because I'm really getting that in these two people. It's like you are the Knight of Pentacles, like you are the one who just go towards your person and you start making them feel that you are nothing for me for some time, and then you come back to them again. So if that is you, you're not doing good to a person, because your person is like the feelings for them for you now. Queen of Swords, this is something, this is that kind of a feeling where this person is tired of listening to your lies, because Queen of Swords is all about clarity, is all about truth. She wants to hear the truth. She is here to listen to you. Yeah, whenever you will come to you will go towards the Queen of Swords, she will always hear you, she will always listen to you. but she wants to know the truth, whatever the truth is. Okay, so if you are the person who is doing this to your partner, so this is really going to take you to, bad places sometimes. But that's your choice, whatever you want to do. With the Four of Swords as the blockage, so this is that place where, when you stop, even you don't even talk to each other. This is that place where somebody is like trying to mend the things, mend the bad stuff now. Like now you, after Three of Swords, this Four of Swords come, it's like the healing period. And now again, if these things will start, so the healing won't be able, it won't be done, the healing will not be done properly. So that's why the blockage is here, because the healing process is going on, and you have again entered to this person's life, or this person might have entered in your life again. So if the things are coming, going and then coming up again and again, and the same feeling, no changes, nothing, then the things will also not change, the love will also not change, the energy will also not change, because your energy hasn't been changed yet, your and your person's as well. Okay, so let's see why this Nine of Swords is here in your part. The High Priestess, yeah, okay, so you have some truth. Okay, the High Priestess and the Judgment, so we have the Judgment over here. Okay, so it's like you have realized your mistake. Okay, so now it's time to take a decision, because the truth has been revealed. With the High Priestess, the truth is no more there, hidden. With the High Priest, the truth is out, everything has been revealed, and it's your time to take a decision now. And now, just stop crying, and you have to do something, because this Queen of Swords has become somebody who is like, if you will say lie again, if you lie to me again, I will just cut you off. So she's ready to cut you off, mind you. Okay, so let's see why the Queen of Swords is here in their feelings towards you. Six of Pentacles and Seven of Cups. Yeah, so they're tired of listening to your lies. All they want is balance, they want harmony, they want peace. They want that if I am giving you the same love, I also want the same amount of love. If you are not even giving me 10% of what I deserve, then I really have to explore more options. I just cannot sit over there waiting for you for a lifetime. I cannot waste my lifetime just for you. So this person is really reluctant over here. This person is really, it's like that it's been done, because the Queen of Swords, she's not like other queens. She has seen a lot of bad days, and she is like, now no other bad day actually hurts me, or actually I don't feel anything now. She's that lady. Okay, so Four of Swords over here in the blockage. The Hierophant. Okay, what else do we have? And the Four of Wands. So might be a marriage over here. You are going through a rough marriage. So this might be a rough marriage in which you are actually moving, and you might be even taking some time off with this person, that like you might be not talking to each other. So that is why the things have come up, and might be either one of you might be married, like only one person out of you two, and that is why the problems are coming. Okay, their belief system as well. So somebody's beliefs are so strong that you don't even hear to other person's interest, or other person's whatever the other person is saying, because of your strong belief system, if you are actually in that thing. Alright, so let's see the actions of your action towards your person. Queen of Pentacles. So this is you. Well, Queen of Pentacles. Capricorns. Four of Cups and Knight of Wands. Okay, so you are going towards this person again. So mind you, because why I'm saying again is because of this Knight of Pentacles, who never leaves. This Knight of Pentacles is the bad knight. It's not bad, but it's like he doesn't leave any situation. He's always there with the lame excuses, and he's always like pissing the other person. And here you are again. You are Knight of Wands. You are going towards this person. You're going to offer a cup. You're going to offer your emotions to this person now. But you have to be really sure whether the other person will accept this cup of love or not now, because you'll see. Okay, so with the Queen of Pentacles and the Four of Cups, it's like your proposal this time is actually a very the good one. This is the good proposal which you are going to give to this person, but you have to see, because the Four of Cups is over here as well. So so both the ways, Four of Cups, it's like this is a rejection card for them. So if you are the one who is actually who has always dealt with your partner like this, so just be aware whether they are going to accept your cup of love or not. Or if it's your person, then also the same things, because the feelings are same. This is like emotions are drawn over here with the Four of Cups. Less emotions. You feel sad, you feel like rejected, you want to reject other person as well. So this is a very that depressed kind of a feeling over here when you actually get the love which you actually wanted always. Now you're not ready to receive it. Five of Wands. See, this is how the conflicts arises. Now when the love is actually coming towards this person, they are ready to fight. Now they are fighting to just go now. Why are you coming right now? Like after all these stuff, now you're coming to me. Then why? That is why this person is creating conflicts. Judgment and the Outcome card. Let's see why the Judgment is here. The Star and the Seven of Pentacles. So the decision which was pending, it is actually going to be taken, but time is a main constraint. When you want to give your 100% towards a person, it's more about that. When a trust is lost, you have to rebuild that, because once the trust is broken, it is really hard to just mend those problems, mend those threads again to form the same trust. It's really tough. So it might take some time, because this person, whomsoever this person was, who actually dealt with this kind of a person who just says lies and lies, so for this person it's really hard to make over all again, start a new life again. So when the decision, this person, somebody really needs to take a decision, a really firm decision, because your hopes and your wishes are all linked with this decision. And once this decision will be made, it will take some time for the other person to come to form that trust again. But yes, it will be formed, and it will be really good after that. All right, so that is all, Capricorns. That's all from my side. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.